Hello and welcome back to another video. You're watching your favorite channel where you get to see latest information for your gadgets. And today we are going to talk about HP Notebook 14. Talking about Notebook 14, we can say that it's quite amazing to see this kind of a variant out here. As well as when we talk about this variant, it has got a good screen size of approximately 14 inches. That is 35.56 centimeters out there. Yes, you get to have a good screen size. Along with that, you get to have a LED display type, which is offering you a good resolution of 1920 into 1080 out there. Yes, 1920 to 1080 pixels could be seen out. When we talk about the screen, when we talk about the display, when we talk about the size, then we can say that it offers you a full HD IPS bright view micro edge backlight display. So this LED type display is not just along with this, it is coming out with a great offering. Yes, it is coming out with a great offering of a monitor feature that is full HD resolution, IPS technology, Bright View Micro Edge. Yes, Bright View Micro Edge. Along with that, it gives you backlight technology display also. So overall, you get to have a good display. Talking about this variant, then we can say that the storage is also important. When we talk about the storage, then we can say that it offers you approximately 1 TB storage. Yes, up to 1 TB storage could be seen out here. Talking about this 1 TB storage, talking about the storage out here, you get to see a good storage in the format of HDD type. Along with that, Intel Core i3 up to i5, or we can say, or like Intel Core i3 8th generation processor is the default setting in it. Now, talking about this default setting out there, we have got a good storage out there. If we talk about the RAM, then what kind of RAM it is offering you? It offers you DDR4 RAM type with an installed size of 4 GB. Yes, 4 GB is the installed RAM size out here. DDR4 is the installed RAM out there. So talking about this RAM, talking about everything out there, that is really amazing. When we talk about this variant, then we can say that it has got a good processor out there. Yes, it is offering you a good processing system. Talking about the processor, then it offers you Intel Core i3 8th generation processor. Yes, it is offering you Intel Core i3 processor out here. Along with that, it offers you graphics processor of Intel UHD out there. So Intel UHD processing could be seen. A good processor could be seen. So overall, it's really good. Now, when we talk about this variant, then we can say that the graphic processor out here, which is nothing else but Intel Graphics UHD out there. So it might be offering you a good output. Yes, it is offering you a good output out there with the camera, integrated webcam, microphones. Everything is really good. Having a stereo type dual speakers as well as microphones out there with a video recording of 720p. Yeah, 720p out there. That is definitely good out there. Now, when we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant is coming out with a lot of great technologies, a good cache memory out here. So everything is really good. When we talk about this variant's functionalities, then we can say that it weighs approximately 1.4 kgs. Yes, the weight is approximately 1.4 kgs out here. With installed, we can say Windows 10 out there. Yes, installed Windows 10 could be seen out here. Along with that, you also get to see that this variant out here offers you a good range in the dimensions. Talking about the dimension, then it is a thin version out here where you get to see 324 into 225 into 19 millimeters dimensions. So dimensions are very, very thin out, we can say. Dimensions are really good out there. Overall, if we talk about this variant, then the good connectivity with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB connectivity is out there. You also get to see the connectivity with audio input, output jacks. All kind of connectivities could be seen out in this variant. So overall, if you or if we talk about this variant, then we can say overall it is really a good version. When we talk about the cache memory or any kind of memory, it is really important to say or talk that the cache memory plays an important role with the processing system out there. Now, when we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version, then we can say that uh, hard drive storage is in the form of HDD. So what is the spindle speed offered out here? Yes, there must be a spindle speed. So it offers you 5400 RPM spindle speed out there. So 5400 RPM is the spindle speed being offered. Along with that, you get to have a 3-cell battery. Yes, 3-cell battery could be seen out in this variant. Along with that, lithium ion battery could be seen, offering you 65 volts capacity. Yes, 65 volts capacity could be seen out on this variant. So overall, this variant has got really some amazing featuring. That's why this variant is quite popular out here and has got really amazing reviews by the users. Now let us talk about the pricing also. And talking about the pricing, we are at just at click.com. Yes, just at click.com offers you great range of specifications, great range of pricings, as well as this site offers you customizability option. You get to have customizability option with your gadgets. Whatever gadget is possible to customize, you can customize your gadgets accordingly. Now let us search this gadget out here which we were talking about, because coming in pocketable rates is really important. So HP Notebook 14. So this is the result out here, and talking about the results, it offers you a condition that is refurbished condition. Yes, this is offering you a refurbished condition with a bag free. A small description is given out there. So let us talk about this refurbished condition, because what kind of products are called refurbished products? That is really important to know, because we need to know what are refurbished products, and let us talk about that first. Talking about the refurbished product, or we can say the refurbished brand out there, or refurbished gadgets, we can say that refurbished products are nothing else but they are brand new type. Yes, these are brand new like gadgets, as well as we can say that these have the same designs, same functionalities, as well as they have got the same testing. So this is absolutely newly live product and brand new live product, we can say. Now, when we talk about the refurbished products or certified refurbished products, we can say that both the categories have the same functionalities, as well as their testing is same, but the difference out here lies in the ownization, that is the pre-ownization of a gadget. When we talk about brand new products, then they are usually pre-owned by the company itself. Yes, they are from the company. Whereas when we talk about refurbished products, they are from a user out there. They are not pre-owned by the company, they are pre-owned by the users. Now let us talk about the pathway also. And when we talk about the pathway, this is the pathway followed by the brand new products. They follow the common pathway, that is the base, mediator, and the consumer. Whereas when we talk about the brand new products, we can say that the brand new products offers out a pathway which is like company is the base out here which releases that gadget in the market, whereas the marketplace is the mediator bridge out here which is offering you that gadget out there, which acts as a mediator. After that, it comes out to the user. It comes to the user for after buying it. So the product is pre-owned or is owned by a user now. This ends here the brand new product. Yes, once the gadget is pre-owned, this brand new pathway is ended out there. Now moving on, what is the next pathway? What is the next thing out here? How you get to see that brand new products are offering you a better and different version? Then extension to this is the refurbished product. Yes, extension to this will be refurbished product. Talking about the refurbished product, we can say that once the gadget is pre-owned, once you have that gadget, once the gadget is with you, then it is to be resold if you want to resell it. Yes, now the user wants to resell, is bored off and wants to resell that gadget. Then it is brought back to a marketplace where it is being resold. Yes, now it is being resold and it is brought up in the market out here. Once it is brought up in the market, tested, verified, and categorized as refurbished, it is sold off to the new user. Yes, now it is sold off to a new user. This is what happens in refurbished. Now the difference lies out in the testing sites, testing timing, we can say, testing place, we can say. Brand new products are usually tested and verified by different sites before company launches it into the market. Whereas the refurbished products are tested, verified at the same place before being resold. Yes, the site which is going to resell it tests and verifies it before selling it off. So this is what happens in brand new and refurbished products. The major difference out there. But it offers you the same functionalities, it offers you same structurality, same testing. So what are these tests all about? Let us talk about these testing also. Talking about these testing, these test parameters or the parameters which are included to know what kind of design it has or what kind of gadget it is. It offers you two types of testing, that is external testing and internal testing. Talking about the external testing, we can say that external testing or the external parameters are nothing else but the parameters which are included or which have just the outer structure design in it, which can be tested through eyes, or like directly through eyes you can test, which does not require any software or highly designed equipments out there, as well as you don't need any kind of a system out there which is there for testing it. Apart from that, you can say that it is a quick testing out there. Yes, the testing out here is really quick. Now talking about this quick testing and everything, let us talk about the factors which are included here. Externally, what you get to see, externally you get to see that it offers you what kind of design, dimensions, scratches, display, what kind of display, battery life, connectors out there, USB, SD card reading connectors, audio input output jack connectors, any kind of connectors out there. Keyboard, keys, whether keys are functional or not, they are properly intact or not. Everything has to be checked. Then the touchpad it has, then what is it working or not? Gestures are being controlled or not? Apart from that, if it's a rotational keyboard, that is two-in-one keyboard laptop out there, so whether it's working in that way or not, weight of that gadget, the and overall look of that gadget, everything has to be checked. After this has crossed the external parameters, externally it is very good. We come to the internal parameters, and now talking about the internal parameters, we can say that internal parameters require a lot of more precise results, because it requires softwares, it requires highly equipped gadgets, as well as these are the testing for the very minute components that are the internal components in it, which cannot be tested through eyes. They need highly designed gadgets out there. After that, you get to see it is slightly time consuming, because it might take slight time out there. Now, what are these factors all about? Like, you have the internal processor, the CPU, GPU out there, chip systems out there, these kind of things. Graphics out there, internal colorization out there, the camera quality, recording out there, the resolution out there, everything. Battery life, then the battery is made up of which kind of a component. Then the connectivity is out there, the overall screen out there, everything, every small, big internal component has to be checked, like the storage, what kind of storage it offers, everything has to be checked. Now, once it is brought out of this context that it has passed all the parameters, now it is absolutely ready to use. It is named as refurbished or certified refurbished. Now, what happens if it fails in any one of the parameter? What would happen if it fails? If it fails in any one of the parameter, then it is brought back and has to be renewed or replaced with the original products. No duplicate, no unknown parts. All the original products have to be used. Original parts have to be used out there. Now talking about the benefits, because there has to be some really amazing benefits, so that we are discussing about this. So there are definitely few benefits of having a refurbished product. Number one is the rate. Yes, if you talk about the rating, then you get to have pocketable rates. You know that brand new products are actually expensive. They are slightly expensive out here, whereas refurbished products offer you a pocketable rate, pocket friendly rates out there. Now, since there is a difference in the pricing, there is a difference. So you get to see a great amount of savings also. Yes, you can save if you shop with refurbished categories. You get to save a lot of money out there. You get to save a good amount of savings there. You can save. Now we all know that refurbished products are pre-owned gadgets, and usually pre-owned gadgets do not offer any warranty period. Now talking about this warranty period, talking about this one, then we know that brand new products offer you 1 year warranty with exchange policy. Whereas if you talk about refurbished products, do they offer the same? Yes, offerings are absolutely same out here. They offer you 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy. So you get to have 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy under the category of refurbished. So you really get to have warranty also exchange policy, which we generally don't see in pre-owned gadgets if they do not offer any conditions. Now let us talk about this site again. Let us go back to the site once again. We were talking about just at click.com. Yes, we were talking at just at click.com. We were at this site. The site name just at click. It itself says you are just a click away from your favorite gadgets, because it offers you really amazing products out here, amazing gadgets out there. So you get to have a large collection of your gadgets, a huge collection of your gadgets from renowned brands. It offers you great deals because you get to have a great amount of pocketable rates. Yes, the gadgets are in very pocketable rates. Since they are offering you great pricing out here, not very heavy pricing or pocketable rates, so you can save a good amount of savings. So definitely savings is there. You get to have a good amount of savings. Apart from that, it offers you 6 months warranty period. Yes, 6 months warranty period is offered out here. Most of the products are under the condition of refurbished. Yes, it offers you refurbished condition, which offers really great amount of savings, everything out there. Apart from that, it offers you a free home delivery, money back guarantee, and online support system. Since it is an online support system offering and an online website, so it offers you hassle free shopping. And since it's a hassle free shopping, so no amount, or we can say no problem, is often offered out here. As well as when you talk about this website, then we can say it offers you COD, which is cash on delivery, and free shipping. Along with that, you get to have customizability option also. For gadgets, like for laptops, you can customize your gadgets according to your needs. So for that, you can check out the website, and the description link has been given in the link has been given in the description box. You can check it out. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.